Yes, abareba KL Media News Center. It's your boy MC Moto kaburizwa program yite ya celeb wawe. Ilizoba na happeninga kubona omuntu wa man, the only celebrity star girl in Mbarara town. Numza ko numuresha yo na Nina Rose kandi namushire turi aha New Pal. Kansa kwantumbuza ho bice urugendo rwo kwaize na music challenge za face inzire up to now ahari. So otakargaho uyoguma otuninzire umushogozo wa already namwisire star girl loko ya tuninzire wena na basta team wana vuga bikes team anya I don't understand yo twakwase
ninya nachira mazima
you're different, you look so beautiful, fabulous.
Nemba bazuma
Anyoka nyantima abantu kimwe ibintu byo kujuna tumukubimanya bya Yesu.
Aza nibyo bitushikiza bayitha. Abinji.
Kweli?
Byo kumanya ruhanga nibi.
Bashobora ruhanga kumanya nibaranga nibintu tikucengaranga nawe nyine.
Ko gashisha mwa mazina ganje ninye Raina Rosie. Ruhanga nyo.
Kastagara kutakata. Manyuru star
girl action.
Ayito tukakwereza abafani.
Yeah, that's good.
Magic music.
The music majesty.
Majesty.
How majesty music.
How majesty. So how majesty twakwakira KL Media.
Achara mazuma. Thank you so much.
Or music ejerieta.
Music so far not bad. Ebintu nuko okunabe ni byenda right now at least nindeba ndumuni nyisha tendinga ngako natandikire according to me ya nga.
How did you start? Passion ekijeta ya music.
Itare nyo kurugira nkantura ninyeshongora nija natandika ndukora song covers western music yonka
song covers
nkecheshongo nko kwa korenka tibye mizano ko kucica amateno venyo nkakora cover ya so nko kunatandikire kuna heza nkashoza heceshongoro tibye mizano cover action yabere ya muheru
kandi warete ceshongoro tabandi waceshongora nacho
eke like cover ya nkashoza ejo cover
so umushongo soka
bene mami kuyajurire yagira konkabwa cyo takwere byeshongoro byateceshongoro nincumanya kare nagezo kum explain ninjira tiyacenga agira atandiko kwere byawe byeshongoro kurgaho nkasimbarana hati.
So uko watanchereza covers toratunjire mu challenges zo kujya nkabishongoza kurga na complaininga ugumusho gukora cover ntamuhire sa
kureba tine cover inabe ni nkora ntabandize kubuzo mwishongoza like the owner of the song
uko tungo taxes yabishongoza abo kubashika
niyo no meche ntwano cyenda tchikawara like serious
tugambiro gaye nka example ya Matt Henry. How did you approach him?
Namba no bwakubire people actually na nkam inboxinga WhatsApp by then in high school wajanye ndakora cover as kirungi cyabyona nkabamba ndiyo mu WhatsApp groups zabo nd active bachigamba ushanga nore this WhatsApp groups by then thing mo babicuruko ko shanga ka Wednesday manyano mano
kwa WhatsApp
by then yo ningezo kugamba by then so there is a day wabo shanga mbangu akapera day on WhatsApp group hata ho mtanka kutamopera byeshongora byogo ugumkama wenyine wa WhatsApp the artist yeah so ritreba kaba mbampur because nyebicheshongoro nkamba nincuma
so cyakuretera cyaba izariyo kushanga
wa
approachinga na
yana reno muhajira ya na reno muhajira taka kwanjira kandi of course na cover stana kujira cyaba successful konka mame nwe yajira ta tandike byawe you can make it
okay
natandika na first project yanje bakujeta just love baby mayone lekota kande kalone ayumi wanandone lekota kande kalone I just can't enough of you baby I'll be your number one lady
so star girl one the majesty echeshongo nchicho kubanze cyo abandize kweshongo
so love
audience kachachireka like
my dear echinkumanya nyechamane chinabe nimanya nkamba ni makusharinga fry but just love audio out people shared the flyer people shared the link oh my god MCs DJs because wakamba manyiro mu cover so they were very happy kubarebera natanka kora chi yeah when they wero kamweke itari imshwari
challenges kabazi muri icyo song the first project yawe
ha ashinkani imbe manyo no mankani nkora cover nteka YouTube konka this time kanya promotion ejo nkanta kujumanya so it was so hard kujenga promotion niyo yabene singa yo hanga
kani nyangu
promotion niyo yonga kuzakora
kanija promotion yawe no kosomu cover songs
nkanta ku promoting amazum
yuko ukora deno
nteka yo
okay
naje nahiro nateka ngakarinka status ninga nko mu group ezindumu baba byakoma konka for the song yicaci cyawe you have to go ahead
oyo no zakutugambira
video bambe ninyishika bakampana off
mutugambira
nzo zokora actually abampira offer naba Dai media bakampa offer ya just love na no mwanyo guna chitinje by then bakamba jeta terasi so there is some name yabirero before bataka jesere soho manager waho yampereza offer yo mwanya
za terasi zo kantura nimi akenga hi umushongozi
ogo mwaka ni kusia 24
just 24
omwaka ogwin September
ezo yo no gamba house media zo kanoshane nira
za house media
ezo zo gamba bakwire
that was even in my first year ngana atanchire kushona just love ka shows in my first year picture campus
so this year you're making 24 so you're still in 23 now okay that's good second project ya wigija
second project yanje kaberi onchungure hazaho femi konka right now nyoni kujante yakora sekere femi haza onchungure like ni orderinga no onchungure nesinga femi audio kansho bizamndonga kusiga femi ya deni ina abanze kushoza ari onchungure konka hakakora taho femi then haza onchungure
okay umushongozi witu
echunugu
neche shongoro tugambira
cyo mwana kankonda chiba
banzo tugambira cyo nugwe wenchi idea je cyo nugu kanodura munonga
tukujankani ndura munonga karenkareba echeche shongo binacho huza in my second year ndokuzo mu third year I had so many relationships aho mutawuni manya MC na no mweshongozi na DJ manya na promoter like relationships bwa public tukubureba at stories is nabira nyonka nabira
amazima rosa ko babira burumu ariho mwana ukwagamire kwarebe cyabashityo
kanabira
kantere mujya wange icunugu
kanabira so kunabiremba most of them bakabari ba friends banje hata kugambira nka story nobo yini
tutereze yuko utkumanya ubundi tuka speaking zira
very ngacho no ndamba gambe
to umuntu naye yakiririza
think uzakugambe zo couples because enyingi zona hatuzacoro so kuwa biro bano bakaseparatinga they separated as in relationship so kuwa bishama n'umuntu akugambira ajira konka mwana no nko kaje we are dating then wagambira honka friend wawe at friend we yatanka kora benyuma kwijo wanje pasura ariwe hata ntaina zento umuntu wawe mukundi cyo barume
uko inavugamba burungi batima y'ifiriro pasura inavugamba burungi kupasura
yenda kupasura ho mbwenu like
akwiyeho
okay so atamanya ntabantu mbabi ni to my love abantu bacenda kora abantu bari in love like naja bwacha abantu bari bakwataga n'abatabwa kibiri biti so ntaina developing that song echunugunugu
okay tugumza mno mushongozi witu reka tugambire challenges za facing mu music career yatandikire tikma bo gitanche of recent ukagitandika ko Rosie za kavezo abintu okora ni challenges tezorebera mu rugendo so far zo kureba ngo cinteganise mukace konka with time zazarizireho inza kwika hunkwenda
actually music najamara mu myaka eshatu because ni mbara myaka ya campus kuna jirenta campus natanka music challenges the biggest challenges I'm facing right now in the promotion because in career cheshongolo oba good music oba mbamba jara good music no ma good music yo no wakota promoting cheshomba gumbaja it is good music no bucha kwa chitaru no undi chitabire hit konka no bwe ko betar oba opposite ya good music hati yo ne and bad music omuntu if you have good promotion I feel if you have good promotion obicho shongoro chirikita okagezaho kuchipushinga it can turn into a hit kurjiro ku watch pushing like no ine kuchijama misho gabantu okachibajema kaboreka yes I have this ate it is the biggest challenge so far I'm facing
like your promotion
promotion mbwe niyo
kuko rero staga njati ibintu nibikora tuku
my dear nana bahi these biggest saza tukoreba they still promote umuntu nashoze cheshongoro
right now ndi abako atwineho raising stars
I'm no longer raising star
you're no longer
raising star kanka jirgam
mutero umugaro zama
ejonka jirgam sure
okay so you're no longer raising star
at ninyeleba like in the middle there ugo mwaka gwakwa everyone has this challenge my dear everyone has this challenge and let's concati obna obufune management I will feel maybe 60% of it
what's management is that
Navesuga real estate saba back to signing today yeah management so I just feel maybe hiningo kuchara no mawo ruwenga tichirinka mwamurinka nkabashatu ninga banga he like a team it is so hard yeah
okay thank you so much tereze ebigambo nka bibiri bishatu ebya ababutukweta abakiri mu kwara za song covers nkoko watandikire abakwenda kushikarisha cyori only 3 or 4
nacyo bagambera no kuremeraho no kuremeraho kandi kindi otakiza no expecting a lot koriza no expecting a lot no zakore byesho ngo chumwe birojo ibintu kabigumire ogwi or like obirgem with a vision and nejo big expectation it is really not good konka iweremeraho no matter the challenges remeraho otaka giving update is the only thing I can say
so I have one question for you actually there are two one abishikimo you're beautiful tuza kucyango mishoga kamera inabashiza binza bakwegomba kuje nakwatari ugumane byanze no babyaterera kandi abamwe bine center abana bine center kandi tureba most of the producers here in town they are men so or surviving zero takwira abo mu rugendo up to now kuja ninga oinega yo
I feel nchirjera nkoko kwekwata like the way you handle yourself if it's business nikujanda ukora business ebyo kwesesa sesanka kaza kuzana ubu na nyo wanje tibiriyo if nana booking studio time for production ninkwija how many hours at what time eshaha kuzarake wabo in another artist ntukubaswene jan
buri nakimanye cyo nina buri kimwe nakimanya konka ariho gayo urukuremera akagira ati kandi urukumanya ngo guy is the best ni mwetaga kandi akakugira ati guy nyo wotakubasa kutemera akacungwa kanje yoni was still a deal
I've not faced that so far maybe could not facing yeah
okay
think actually right now
are you married
I'm not married
you look to be
look at kweli
yeah
abantu bashobora babara batashe sente shineza bashobora bonka
tugambire company zazo ino muri mbara company birezo ino muri mbara
company zacho
confirm inyungu gomwana ariko utayineyo
no right now I'm not married I'm single I'm not searching
you're not searching yawe bera woro kigambira abantu
I'm single and not searching ahabwachi tikwenda mojo wabanda nza kumutembya nza kumutoza kuruze kumugerana
so in relationship yoneyo ine
yeah relationship in right now business
okay that's good okay gono yari umushongozi witwe Lizoba kandi mwamuhura ari single cha not searching tunachura ninjana ni moto mwachura so if you're there you feel you want to kugira ko wazira stay tuned on KL Media News Center tukuletera binji